Welcome to Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Eitada. This is Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngobo, it's been a long time ngakubona. Yeah, it's been a while ngobo. Ngigcine mhlambi mangiyothatha Black Label. Black Label. Le Epolokwane. Yeah, Epolokwane. That was a long time. Bengaqoki le skipper list. Espale Greater Kuto will be soon launching this branch next year, 2027. But now coming to the game ngobo. Ngobo yabona iPirates bafethu. One thing that I'm going to tell you ngobo, le league abantu bangasho ukuthi we are not going to take this we are not going to take this league. But I'm going to say to you ngobo, we are going to take this league. If you can check ngobo, abafana bethu they are so determined to win this league. Basimisele. You can check nabo laba bangangenanga once umuntu angabizwa. I'm sorry to say this. Sikesabu abanye abantwana ababantu labadlala laba. We booed them.
Oh yes,
Yes, you remember. Then they came there and then they produced. You remember Usbisi, Abombuthuma, we booed those people. You understand? And of which is wrong thing to do as a supporters because those people they are playing for the badge. And now ngobo labantu labaya. What I can say to you, Basimisele, this league we are going to win with those people. If you can check Coach Wetu namhlanje the subs that he did. Onke amapaso akhe. The subs. Check Umbule. Did you check Umbule amapaso akhe? Did you check uMaswanganye amapaso akhe? Did you check those people? It's a pity nje ukuthi I can give the goalkeeper of Siwelele the man of the match. You know why? He saved that team. He saved that Siwelele team. The players, the Pirates players, they played for this pitch. The Pirates, they showed to say they want to win this league. And then let me tell you one thing. When Ngobo nganwami, akusinto esijwayele kuyenza. Kodwa le abangani bethu amagoli abo baqeda izolo. Yeah, baqeda izolo badlala nenye team. We don't know the team badlala nayo instead what. Baqeda izolo. They are coming here, Good DSTV, on Wednesday.
Good
Betway Premiership, they are coming on Wednesday. Amakol, Apelile. Tina, we played draw. That 1 point, Mapagapaga. Let's take it and move forward. You know our coach, there's only one coach. Omute Gule Betway. You know why? Usabonela ngale. Lezinto lezi uzibonela before the other coaches can see there. Yena uzibonile coach. That's why the league yethu wena Ngobo nganwami soyelela ngama goals. Asiyulela soyelela ngama goals. Not ama points. Le league yethu soyelela ngama goals. Into engizofuna ukuyisho mfowethu ukuthi please support us when you come to the stadium. Last time when I was here in Ngobo, I said to you, let's come and support the team. Let's come and sing and support the team. Now I'm saying to you, Mfethu, guys, when you come to the stadium, labantu abadlala phaya, badlalela thina, those people. Those are our players. Those people, balaphaya ngenxa yethu. Once you boo them, I was so angry to say last week, this week, during the week, abayanga ukuthi center line. Abayanga emahlanyeni kuvela kwavela umuntu washawa amaphoyisa lapha. We are condemning that. We are not supporting that to say people let us boo. We are not supporting booing our players. Let us not boo our players. Ngoba ngiyabonga mfethu. Let's support our players as much as they are failing. As us, we are failing, and then we are failing because now failing them is meaning we are booing them. If we are not booing them, it means now we are not going to fail them. So now let us not fail them. Let us support them. Even if they are making mistakes, those mistakes is our mistakes. Let's own those mistakes. Ngoba nganwami ahlangane kule game Chiefs. Ngifuna ukushala abantu umqede ngabo sengithatha ileague ngiwena ngibone. ISundowns wenze mina ngizominya yabona ngama nabantwana manabo ngama nabo inja zami.
Udlala ngokuminya uminyele Sundowns.
Anyaminya wena baqeda ama goals baqedile.
Asivale phela.